It is a lovely Tuesday evening. Just signed in to see what was going on in the markets. I just threw the polarity on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15-minute charts. Looks like some nice signals on the 15-minute chart. Had a sell imbalance back here, buy imbalance, washout down here, another buy imbalance. I got into a short back here. We started closing below the 20 SMA. We were bearish on the 5-minute Heikin-Ashi, and the 15-minute ADX was bearish. And we had rejected off of the pivot point. I walked away for a little bit and we just popped up 50 points. Had an imbalance signal to the upside back here. Crossed back above VWAP. Heikin-Ashi was bullish. ADX turned bullish here. Popping right up to whole number. Kind of like a short whole number. That sounds good. I'm going to go for 4 points. There's a quick 4 points. That was just based purely off of whole number and the fact that we've had this 50-point move in fairly short time in the off hours. Also had delta dropping off. So we got a washout signal on the 15-minute here. Also saw we were at some key levels on the 60-minute chart. Looks like yesterday's New York Open we just hit. Just hopped into a short for a few different reasons. On the 5-minute chart, look at this move up. And look at delta. Delta is dropping off as we're moving up, so there's some delta divergence there. We had a washout signal appear on the 5-minute intra-bar, and we already had a washout signal on the 15-minute. We had also just approached yesterday's open and this previous wick high back here. So based upon all of that information, I got into a short, grabbed another 5 points or so, went in a little bit heavier on this one. Just grabbed another short here for a multitude of reasons. We had an imbalance signal from the polarity indicator on the 1-minute chart, as well as some bearish ADX. On the 5-minute chart, the previous candle had a washout signal and an imbalance signal, and the current 15-minute candle has an imbalance signal to the downside. Grabbed some more points, stacked some more micros. Just grabbed another short. We had been in this very tight range. I was looking for a breakout to the downside. We had imbalance signals to the downside on 2 previous 15-minute candles, and the delta drop-off was just continuing. We just dropped down about 9 points from the 20 SMA here. Just woke up and logged into the late morning session. It's around 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. I saw this huge onslaught to the downside and immediately looked for any reason to get short. We had point of control up into this wick. We had an imbalance signal to the downside, bearish Heikin-Ashi on the 5-minute, and an imbalance signal to the downside on the 5-minute. Hopped in for a short there, grabbed 10 points. Thought I was going to be done for the day and just head out the door, but just grabbed one more short. We had an imbalance signal back here, and then another one coming in. ADX was bearish, Heikin-Ashi was turning bearish. Hopped into a short there. We just popped down about 20 points right there. I think I got 8 or 9. I keep sitting here trying to sign out and leave, but then I keep finding new opportunities. This candle right here, it just flipped to a long imbalance, but right when it formed it had a short imbalance. We were creeping up to the 20. I hopped into a short, grabbed 10 points real quick. I think I got filled in like 10 seconds. Now we just flipped to the long side. We're headed back up. Up 220, trading the micros in the off hours. Not too bad. I think I am going to head out here, go enjoy the day. Just wanted to share the simple multi-time frame setup that I was showing in yesterday's video with the added benefit of the polarity indicator showing washout signals and imbalances in the order flow. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. There are links to all of the indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.